We're on site here to pre-position assets for the impending storm. We pre-position commodities and equipment in support of North Carolina, South Carolina, basically Region 4. Again, just to stand by and be ready to react when the time comes. North Carolina, South Carolina could be fairly impacted, depending. The latest models are showing that. But it's a wait-and-see attitude, and that's kind of what we do now. We pre-position, whereas when I first started doing this, we used to go in after the fact. Now we become much more proactive, so that in case something does happen, we'll be able to respond a lot quicker.